Quick video here to review the cockpit or handlebar area on the Happyrun HR G50 and G60 e-bikes. They're exactly the same. So let's start on the left hand side. Over here you have the headlight switch. These are the directionals, right and left. They are only on the rear. There are no directionals on the front. This is the horn. This is your voltage readout, and then this is the on-off switch. So if you want to power on the bike, what you need to do is power on the battery, then turn the switch on, and then you'll see the screen comes up. The screen is really nice and big, but there aren't any options or settings that you can change on this. Now, in order to change between the different pedal modes, you're going to simply hit this button here, the S button, and that will cycle through the different pedal assist modes. There's only 3, so it goes from 1, 2, and 3. 1 is about 15 miles an hour, 2 is about 20 miles an hour, 3 is about 25 on the G50, and 28 on the G60. Now you do have a 7-speed transmission so that when you're pedaling, you can pedal in different gears and different resistance. And then over here you have a half twist throttle. Now this throttle is kind of nice. I like the half twist over the thumb throttle. And I also like the half twist over the full throttle because if somebody comes by and grabs your handlebars, the half twist is kind of protected from the end of the handlebars. So I hope that you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching.